It is a win for the Central Bank of Kenya, which has been embroiled in a legal suit with several petitioners over the rollout of the new currency. The bone of contention being a picture of the founding president, Mzee Jomo Kenyatta's, in the new generation banknotes. The judges, in dismissing the claim the image was a portrait, also ruled that the Central Bank of Kenya has the mandate and discretion to withdraw the 1,000 notes despite having not gone through a public participation exercise.
We have no cause to doubt the reasons given by the bank that it aimed at stemming illicit financial flows through money laundering, corruption, and financing of terrorism, and in order to address the situation of counterfeit notes. The withdrawal may have required an element of surprise or a short turnaround period. We agree with the petitioners that there are unspecified costs and inconveniences, but we are not persuaded that given the time frames and the nature of the policy, that it was feasible to have public participation.
In the case, the petitioners challenged the rollout of the new currency by Central Bank of Kenya, saying withdrawal of the 1,000 notes by 1st of October is not supported by any provisions in the law. Meanwhile, the High Court has dismissed a case filed by suspended Judge Martin Muya, challenging a decision by the Judicial Service Commission to have him investigated over allegations of gross misconduct. Justice Maureen Onyango ruled that JSC acted in accordance with the Constitution. According to the court, Muya was given a fair hearing and therefore is the tribunal that will decide his fate. In the case, Muya wanted the court to invalidate any tribunal formed by the president to probe him for misconduct. Finally, the pre-trial conference in the case where Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu, his wife Susan Ongeri Ndungu, and 8 others are accused of embezzling 588 million shillings from county coffers failed to kick off at the anti-corruption court after the defense lawyers said they were yet to receive documentary evidence to be used by the prosecution in the case. Chief Magistrate Lawrence Mugambi was forced to adjourn the pre-trial of the case until 18th October, directing the prosecution to supply the defense with all the necessary documents required in the case. Ben Chumba reporting for Scales of Justice.